Healthy Tip Tuesday. I'm Kelsey Dickens, a registered dietitian, and today I'm talking about healthier alternatives to your backyard barbecue on the 4th of July. Who needs hot dogs and hamburgers when you can spice up this festive holiday with healthier options like salmon, ground turkey burgers, and basic chicken? Today I'm starting off with some barbecue chicken and corn. To keep tradition alive, I'll be using a standard barbecue sauce, but feel free to use olive oil and vinegar, lemon pepper, or any other marinade of your choice for a healthier alternative. You really can never go wrong with barbecue chicken and traditional barbecue sauce. After the chicken has been on the grill for about 20 minutes and turned twice, I'm adding my salmon fillet to the grill. All I added to this was some lemon pepper and a little bit of garlic. You can also add olive oil, fresh lemon, and other herbs and spices. I've added my ground turkey burgers to the grill. So far I have my salmon fillet, ground turkey burgers, as well as corn on the grill. And all I'm going to add to my corn is some chili powder and olive oil. You can also add garlic powder, fresh garlic, or lemon pepper to your corn. Salmon is great and only takes about 8 to 10 minutes to barbecue, so all I have left to finish is my ground turkey burgers. I'll add the traditional barbecue sauce to these as well. Impress your guests with this healthy, festive, and delicious looking platter. Bon appetit and happy 4th of July!